Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are so fine. Welcome to our English session, grade 6. Today we will study lesson 3. Our title, Where Do They Work? Our new words, we will talk about jobs and places of jobs. Teacher, work in a school. Doctor or nurse, work in a hospital. Engineer, work on a building site. Waiter, work in a restaurant. Housewife, works at home. An IT programmer in an office. Builder, work in an oil refinery. Bus driver, work on roads. Farmer, works on a farm. Here we can see we use preposition in and on, and we use preposition at. We use preposition in with school, hospital, and restaurant, and office, and oil refinery. And we use preposition on with building sites and roads and on a farm. But home, the first or the only one, take at. The next note a and an. Here we use a school, a hospital, a building site, a restaurant, but here we use an office. We use a plus consonant sound. Here school start with consonant sound, hospital start with consonant sound, so we use a. But here we use an because word office start with vowel sound and office, and here we use an because oil start with letter O is a vowel, so we use an. The jobs again and places of them: teacher in a school, doctor or nurse works in a hospital, engineer works on a building site, waiter works in a restaurant, housewife works at home, an IT programmer works in an office, builder works in an oil refinery, bus driver works on roads, farmer works on a farm. Our structure: how to use question word, how to ask about places of jobs. We use question word where to ask places plus do or does plus do with plural, does with singular, plus word work. That's the form of the question. Where, do or does, singular or plural noun, work. For example, where does your father work? Here you can find we use does because it's followed by singular noun. Your father, father is singular, father, so we use does. To answer about this question, you should know I, we, you, they, plural noun like the teachers, they are used with work, the infinitive form of the verb without any addition. But he, she, it, or singular noun like the teacher, they talk, works. The difference between those and those, here we use work, the infinitive form of the verb without an addition, but here we add s to the verb. Here work and here works. So our answer to this question, we start with my father is singular noun, so we use works. My father works in a hospital. Here we find works because my father is singular. The next question, where does a doctor work? A doctor here singular, so we use does. To answer about this question, we start with a doctor works in a hospital. That's about do or does. We use here does because it's followed by singular noun father. And you should attention to when we use where and work and works. We use works because it's preceded by plural noun, and we use works because it's preceded by singular noun. That's about our new lesson. With my best wishes.